Why am I hearing a bird?
Because there's two birds and they talk, okay? What's the big deal? What's your name? Tricky H Gumbo. What's the big deal with that? The birds talk because they're birds.
Dude, Penguin Cult, shut the fuck up.
I'm gonna hit you in the jaw, Cecil.
I'm sorry.
You can't hit shit, you short fuck.
I'm like 5'9". That's not bad.
5'9".
Why are you touching that animal's
Your ass, dude. I swear to God.
Cecil looks so faded right now.
He looks like he's 50 years old, bro.
Shut up,
Memory
bro.
right
He's
now.
looking for Bingo to start in his car right now.
He's a faded memory right now.